Welcome back, guys. So I hope you are done with the homework given in the last class. Okay. So here, uh, as we discussed this series in the last session, in the last video, okay, and I hope you are done with this homework actually using the while loop. You can post it in a comment section. Now come to the next one. So we have another series which is here. Let me bring that question above, and here it is. So now if you are given with this series, like there is a you have to write a program to find out sum of series of n terms, and if you notice there is a slight difference in the previous one. There is 1 minus x in place of plus we have minus x, and then we have this x power x square then minus. So this will be the alternate. It's negative then positive and then negative then positive then negative then positive all the way to the n minus 1. So almost the code is similar to the previous one. Okay, slight changes there, and take a pause here. If you identify the logic, what is that? If you are able to identify that how we will do this one actually. So take a pause of few seconds and then think for the logic. Okay, let's jump to the answer. Okay, so first we have to take input. As usual, we take x equals to, so it's x equals to, we take it like x equals to int input, then enter value for capital X, which is the number we want it to be in a series. Then n is the input, then we write int input, then we says enter value for n, which is the terms we want. Okay, now as we said s equals to 0, initially we said it s equals to 0. Okay, now the point is, what was the previous code we have? Look at that. In the previous one we had this for x in this. So let's make this one as a whole comment so that it won't interfere with this new code. But this was a simple loop actually. We have simply put it this. So let's do that one for small x, which is a loop variable, and we will look n. It's a 0 to, we will put it n there. Okay, and then here we write s equals to s plus capital S x, which is the value we gave in for the series terms, and then we put it this small x there. Okay, this was the previous code we have. So it's print, and then here I put it f again. I says sum of series is and then I will put it as there. Okay, that is a simple one. Now the point is how we will got this negative for whenever we. So here is the secret actually. If you notice, this is what is the power here we have power here 1, it's 3, and similarly for the next. Okay, so whenever we have power as a negative, there is power is an odd actually. Whenever we have x power some odd number, here is a even, then odd, then even, then odd. So for the 5 x is to power 5, we have negative there. So here is the secret. We will simply put here in place of this x, I will mark it as negative x, and put it here like this way, and done. Okay, that's the simple one. Because here whenever the power, the loop variable power is having the odd, this becomes the negative. When the power is even, this becomes the positive. So let's check this one, and let's make it for you can pick it 2, 4. Let's x equals to 2, and then we have the n equals to 4, it becomes negative 5. So how it comes negative 5? Let's do a dry run for this one. And let me tell you, dry run is the backbone, as I already said this one, and I will keep repeating this one. Okay, don't skip the dry runs, do the dry runs, and if you need any help from me, drop in comment box, or you can connect with me. So here dry run, I will make it capital X equals to 2 and small n equals to 4, Now I will set s equals to 0, and look at that. X will pick, as usual, it will pick value from 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good. Then what? Here it will come in the loop, and let's do this one. X equals to 0, then s becomes 0 because s equals to s plus capital X. So it will be 0 plus negative what? Negative 2, then power of what? We have the 0. So this becomes any number with power 0, it will be 1 here. Okay, so x equals to 1 here. Now s becomes, how much it will be? 1 plus, then negative 2, then power 1. So how much it becomes? It will be 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. As x equals to, small x equals to, which is a loop variable, remember this thing, okay? Don't get confused with the capital X and the small x. So here it will be, I will put it like negative 1 plus negative 2, it's a power of 2, so it becomes negative 1 plus how much? Plus 4, because negative 2 raised to power 2. So it becomes 4, and this will be 3. Now x equals to 3 and small s equals to, we have 3, which is the previous value of s, last value, and then we have this plus, and then we put negative 2, and then power of 2. Sorry, power of 3, because small there, small x equals to 3. This is the odd number we have. So this becomes 3, and this will be, how much it will be? It will be 3, then think? No? Okay. It will be negative 8, and this becomes negative 5. Look at that on here. If I write negative 2 power 3, negative 8. So you can check these values here on the shell also. So here it will be the negative 5. Okay, and this is the answer we got. Let's comment this one and check for this one also. Another value like 3, 3. We will check for that one also. Let's do that one. 5. And if I give it 3 and then 3, it becomes 7. Okay. I hope you understand. If you don't, drop me in the comment box. Okay. And as usual, homework. What will be? Now I hope you can identify what is the homework. So do the same. Do the above code using while loop. So that will be your homework. Or okay. Just do it with the while loop, and if you find any issues or any difficulties, let me know this. Okay, or I will make a small video on the while loop, doing the while loop. So next we will do with the while loop. Okay. Thank you. Keep learning, keep coding. Thank you.